Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on cooking basics and essentials. I want to wish you a really happy new year. I hope you had a great time and may 2019 bring you all the joys you want. This is episode 11 and today we're going to talk all about prepping meals. Not to be confused with meal prepping. Some of you follow me on Instagram, you wonder how do I have all these epic meals when I'm coming home late at night after work or having some beefy breakfast sandwiches, all these things every single day. I follow these tips which always helps me stay ahead and really making these meals easy. I'm going to talk all about what I do to get everything prepped up, and I'll show you how prepping and following these small tips will make cooking any dish fun for you. So let's get started right now. Since you are beginners, these small tips will really help you get the confidence to cook whatever you want to eat. So to tell you more about what I mean by prepping meals and really setting yourself up for success, let's say you want to make a recipe with chicken. Most recipes use nice round numbers such as 500 grams of chicken, 250 grams of chicken, 1 kilo of chicken. So what I like to do, I love my chicken, so I portion everything right after groceries in 250-gram portions. And whenever you need to make food, you already have that chicken measured. So you just take it out and it's there. That's gonna save you 5 minutes of portioning chicken and seeing, oh, do I have the right amount of meat? Another example is I hate when I buy a pack of bacon and over 3 or 4 days after the pack has been opened, the bacon starts to become brown. It's disgusting. Even though it's not bad, it just discolors. So super simple solutions to that I discovered. I simply rolled each bacon into a cigar and I put it in a Ziploc and I froze it. So if a recipe needs 2 slices of bacon, I can take 2 slices of bacon from the freezer, defrost it, and it'll be beautiful. And nothing is gonna go bad. Another thing, when I make naans, I make a bunch of naan. So I make 20 naans, I freeze the dough balls, so whenever I wanna have naan, all I have to do is take the naan out, defrost it and roll it out and eat it fresh. And I follow the same technique with so many other things like homemade pizzas, English muffins, burger buns, dinner rolls, pan pizza doughs. It's just always there for me. So by prepping meal ahead of time and setting yourself up, I don't mean you cook the food and you freeze it or you put it in the fridge. I'm still eating fresh food, but it's just I put a little extra work so it's ready for me when I need it. And I always choose to do this when I have some free time on hand. So that when the busy and the hectic times do come, you never slack off on what you eat. Because you need good food to succeed in whatever you have to stress about, whatever you have to put hard work in. So some other things that you can do to get ahead when you're making a new dish, when you're making something that has lots of components, is when you have free time here and there, pre-grate the cheese, make a quick sauce. So when it comes time to put it all together, you have it all ready for you. Like recently I made deep dish pizzas. So when it came time to make the actual pizza, I had the sauce ready, the cheese ready, the sausage ready, just assembling 2 pieces of Legos together. I love having breakfast sandwiches, so when I do, I make a big batch of sausages, make them into patties, put them on sheet pans and freeze it. And then just when it's frozen, just put it in some Ziploc and breakfast sandwich sausages are ready for me. Whenever I want it in the morning. I have my English muffin in the freezer, the sauce in the freezer, I make the eggs fresh. What I really want to get at is doing all these things helps me have a really chill time, a relaxed experience in cooking whatever I want to cook. The components are all ready. It's there for you to just combine, not have delays, not be cooking while you're starving. It just makes it so much fun. So if you want to eat all these good foods, these epic foods more often, try and follow these tips. Let me know if they were easy to follow, and if I think of more tips just like these, I'll be sure to make a sequel to this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you want a sequel, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new awesome content. And don't forget to follow me on all these social media links down below.